To have the order of UCC quashed on the grounds that it is illegal, it is unreasonable, and it is violative of fundamental human rights and freedoms of expression and fair treatment of Ugandans by UCC as an administrative organ of government. We have just filed the case, Miscellaneous Cause number 170 of 2017. Right now the file is with the head of the Civil Division, who is perusing it to advise the registrar on when it can be heard. We have communicated the urgency and paramountcy of the matter, that within 2 days from now, precisely on Thursday 20th, the UCC order is that mobile telecoms be frozen, account numbers be frozen, unless people will have complied with its illegal order. We will continue, we will fight it to the end, and we are hoping that by the end of the day, we shall have got a date to hear this matter, the interim application today or tomorrow morning.
But should they dare disconnect these SIM cards on Thursday, they will be shocked. We ask all citizens of this nation to march to the telecommunication companies, because I do not have any single contract with the UCC. Mutabazi should stand duly warned. I do not have a single contract with Mutabazi, neither do I have a contract with Kaihura. I have a contract with Airtel, I have a contract with MTN and other service providers. So this nonsense of sending me messages, UCC sending me a message, it is very illegal. Those messages should stop. It should be Airtel, MTN, rather Mango and other service providers to send us messages. I do not have, I repeat, I'm not in any contract with UCC.